This is a replacement funnel for an oil grease funnel that's missing, broke off, whatever. Trim it up, make sure it fits. It will fit in here flat. Doesn't fit actually quite like. Yeah, no. It goes this way. It will fit in there like this. Trim it to make sure it fits. This one doesn't. Usually just trim that one edge off a little bit. Not much. Put your goop around here. Put one little circle around here. That's it. Push that into place and squeeze it down. There will be silicone comes out on both sides. That's fine. You can wipe that up later. But you want to make sure there's plenty underneath it to hold it. Other than that, you're done.